Hi everyone. I hear you're having problems logging into EdPuzzle. I don't know what is causing the problems, but I do know one way to fix it. First, you need to make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. So to do that, you're going to go over here and you're going to sign in. So here it's going to ask you to put in your email, and you're going to put in your email. I'm going to borrow Paul's for a second. 5203 at kcpublicschools.org. It's really long, so you need to be really careful that you go slow when you put that in. And then your password. And so now you'll see that it's going to show you in this corner here. Okay? That's really important. Next, you're going to go to the assignment, which is in Classroom. I'm just going to go this way to try to, crud. I don't know why it's doing this. Hold on just a second. Let me get there. I don't want to do all this crazy stuff. Here we go. Okay, let me get to his classroom. I should be in Paul's classroom because I'm signed in as Paul. And then I'm going to go to Miss Thomas's class. And I'm going to go to classwork. Okay, you all are in a group, but whatever your group is. And then when you go to the EdPuzzle, you're going to sign in with Google. Now this is where it gets a little strange. It's going to say Google Classroom error. I don't know why it's doing this. I'll figure it out. But look over here. It says My Classes. So click on My Classes and go to Thomas 4th Hour. And there you have it. The assignment that you all need to do. All right. Thank you so much for being patient and figuring these things out with me. And hopefully things will get better soon. All right. Take care.